Assalamualaikum and hi to Miss Atika. We are from Group 9. Our group create new product which is coffee shot. This is a compact coffee shot. Is an interesting instant coffee concept. This is more instant than instant coffee. Each shot brew coffee using specialty 100% Robusta coffee beans. The volume and the size of the bottle design that can consume whenever and wherever. This is very suitable for everyone, especially for worker and student that need more productivity. Also, this is very convenient and easy to bring for a traveler that always need to minimize things that they bought. Our mission is dark coffee, bright future. For dark coffee, is referred to strong coffee we produce, and bright future refer to the future of consumer become bright, as they can always taste delicious bitter coffee. For our material is coffee beans. We choose Robusta coffee beans because this is the most popular coffee beans, and more flavor, less bitterness, and because this is traditionally made without sugar. For water, we choose mineral water for increase the flavor of coffee. For the bottle is made from glasses and aluminum that can contain only 40 ml. The coffee bean sourced from the Vietnam, which is the second largest world coffee beans production around the world after Brazil. It took around 7 until 9 days using sea transport from Tam Chang Chat Lai Port, Vietnam to Port Clark. For procurement strategy to achieve complete quality down to final brew shot that is most suitable for consumer. Second is determine which characteristics are the most appropriate for each bean variety and applications. Third is such as depend on our ability to maintain consistency in sourcings. This is for the best flavor, buy coffee from the current crop. Next, we want quality, value, and long-term viability. A higher price does not always imply a superior product. Lastly is to meet the needs of variety market segment, specialized in sourcing core, premium, exotic and limited availability, micro quantities, and seasonal offers.
Next, supply strategy. They have four strategy. Firstly, recognize. We should recognize team so that every role fit into one of four basic functioning group. Secondly, cut costs. We need to understand what products should cost. The third one is improved service. This is according to introduction of weekly scorecard. The last one, efficient capabilities. We should hire only the best talent. There are many advantages and disadvantages to be had in the choosing of the supplier, including outsourcing activities. The advantages of the strategy sourcing can be seen in a variety of ways. One of the advantages of sourcing from Vietnam is lower cost. This is because every company will be inevitably to discover that obtaining the best value at the lowest possible cost to remain the resource of the priority. Although the company had considers the transportation and long distance delivery cost, it is cheaper from the countries all over the world to import the best coffee bean from the Vietnam to our company in Malaysia. The bigger advantages that Bonmore Oregon coffee exports have is that they have amazing support from the government. Imports can find it very easy to work with Bonmore Oregon coffee exporters in aspects like government documents, tariff, or shipping process. This is because EFTA has implemented a policy of tax reduction for all coffee products, including green coffee, roasted coffee, and processed coffee down to 0%. The next disadvantage of Bonmore Oregon coffee is favorable nature conditions. This can lead to high productivity, large output, and competitive price. Productivity in Bonmore Oregon coffee plantations can reach 3.5 tons, and this can take time to operate depends on the company's product and the availability of raw material and other materials. The next of disadvantages loss by intellectual property. The outsourcing with other countries can lead to increased cash flow into their system. Globalization may lead to loss of their intellectual distinctiveness as a Western idea and force up Eastern tone and ideas. This encourages brainstorming and a different perspective when attempting to streamline operations. In conclusion, Malaysia is a target market for new product development under Starbucks, which has major supporters in the provision of raw materials such as coffee bean, as well as packaging material for the new products such as aluminium and glass that provided by the company in Vietnam. Vietnam was picked not just for the cost savings, but also for the vast number of coffee beans that can be provided, as Vietnam is the greatest producer of coffee beans due to its own coffee farm. Because of its considerable distance from the Malaysian market, this collaboration has resulted in offshore sourcing. This innovation tends to make travelers and coffee aficionados lives simpler. This is because the renewal is manufactured in little size that is convenient to carry any place and is one short drink that is guaranteed to have 100% authentic coffee.
Continue.